In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register Sendwave in Kenya using USA VPN 2025, step by step. Before we begin, a quick note on doing this the right way. Always follow local laws and the app's terms of service. Some people use VPNs for privacy, but do not use them to misrepresent your location or bypass regional rules. If you choose to use a VPN, pick a reputable, well-reviewed provider with strong encryption and a clear privacy policy, and make sure your connection choice is allowed by the service you're using. With that in mind, let's get everything set up smoothly. Start by installing a trusted VPN app from your device's official store. After installation, open the VPN and sign in if required. If you do connect, select a stable nearby server that gives you a strong, consistent signal. Consistency matters more than raw speed during account creation because you want one clean session from start to finish without interruptions. Next, head to your device's app store and download the Sendwave app. Confirm you're getting the official version by checking the publisher name and recent reviews. Once the download finishes, open Sendwave and begin the sign-up process. Keep your mobile data or Wi-Fi stable here. Closing the app or switching networks mid-sign-up can interrupt verification. When prompted, enter your details exactly as they appear on your identification and payment accounts. Accuracy helps prevent verification hiccups later. Create a strong password you haven't used elsewhere, and if available on your phone, plan to enable biometrics for easier, secure logins after setup. You'll then verify your phone number. Make sure the number is active on your device and can receive SMS codes. If the code doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment and request a resend rather than trying multiple times quickly. Enter the one-time code as soon as you receive it so it doesn't expire. Now add your payment method. Choose the option you actually use, card, bank, or an approved wallet, and ensure the name and billing details match what you entered earlier. Some cards may require an additional security step, such as 3D Secure, so keep your phone handy for bank prompts. If a method fails on the first try, double-check the expiry date, CVV, and billing address before trying again. With your account created and payment method saved, you can start using Sendwave. Begin with a small test transaction to confirm everything works. Review the fees and exchange rate before you send, and turn on notifications so you get updates on transfers. Keep your app updated, sign out on shared devices, and you'll be set for smooth, secure use moving forward.